Okay, why did Dorf go buzz buzz in science class? And so what we're doing here is very similar to something we did last week, except we do not have common denominators. And I'm going to come down to a trickier one like, let's say number 14. Does that look pretty ugly? Yeah. 12?
No, wait.
12 is fine. 14 is probably...
Easier. 12.
Okay. 14, the denominators have nothing in common. Okay. So, 14? All right. So number 14 is negative 6 over A minus 20 over 3B. So, excuse me, gentlemen. What would a common denominator of A and 3B be? Yeah. Come on. That's a common factor of those two would be 1. What would a common denominator be? What do they have in common? Just 1. So, in order to get them common, what do? If they have nothing in common, what do you wind up having to do? If you had 7 and 3, what would you have to do to get a common denominator? What would you do? You'd have to multiply. So even with variables, you're going to have to multiply. So in order to get A into 3B, you're going to have to multiply. But what do you have to multiply? You have to multiply by 1, the identity, so that you don't change the value. So you're going to have to multiply by 1, also known as A over A. On this side, you're going to have to get 3B over here. Again, you're going to multiply by 1. But the 1 on this side is 3B. Does everybody understand that 3B over 3B is the same as 1? Yeah. Regardless of what B is. We don't know what B is, nor do we really care a whole lot. This side is A over A. Excuse me. So, the denominator becomes 3AB. Math convention says we put things in alphabetical order. Okay? So, because we are multiplying, what's negative 6 times 3? Negative 18 times B minus 20 times A? 20 times A. And believe it or not, that's the answer. You're done. Because there you are. So, in box L, you write the letter E. And that's how you solve the puzzle. Questions? It's a lot easier than it looks, but it's going to take practice.